Now our ointment is done. Look at how soft and smooth it feels. Hello viewers, welcome back to Abzolutegh once again. Today we are going to learn how to make ointment or hot balm or hot salve. So just stay tuned and enjoy while I teach you how to make this beautiful ointment. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe. This is Abzolutegh, and also click on the notification bell so that you always get notified when I upload a new video. Also share and like this video.
These are the ingredients. This is paraffin oil or white oil. This is peppermint oil. This what they call, the women call it fetri keke. This is petroleum jelly. This is beeswax. And this one is a coolant. This is menthol crystal. So menthol crystal, coolant, paraffin oil, peppermint oil, fetri keke, petroleum oil, beeswax, and then this is the container. I've already measured everything, so I'll just go ahead and start with the preparation. This is the bowl that I'm going to use. So this is my petroleum jelly, this is my beeswax, this is my herb, and then I will add the white oil and then put it on fire. So these are the ingredients on fire. I've reduced the fire to the barest minimum, so I'll just measure the rest of the ingredients and add it. Okay, so it is melting. I will go ahead and keep stirring until it all melts. Then I will add in the rest of the ingredients, and then the production is done here. You can add color if you want, or you can leave it like that. Everything is now melted, so I'm adding in my peppermint oil and then my fetri keke. The fetri keke smells like liquid camphor, and also the coolant also smells like powdered camphor. So this is the coolant and then the menthol crystal. So at this point, I'll just off my fire. So I've off the fire. I will just let it, all the remaining ingredients, dissolve well. Then I'll pour it into my containers. This is the final product. In fact, I have catarrh, and the way the ointment is opening my nose, I love it. And these are the containers I'm going to use here. I will use color. I'll pour some and then use color and show you how. If you want to add color, you can either add it straight from the fire, or after you've off the fire, then you add the color. So I will just allow it to cool a little, just a little cooling. Then I pour into these bowls or these containers. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. This is Abzolutegh. If you see this video and on any platform other than Abzolutegh channel platform, then that person stole the video to train you. So don't contact me if you have any problem after making production.
Now that it has cooled down a little, or after you bring it from the fire, you have to sieve it. You can either leave the sieving or you can sieve it. It's not compulsory. It all depends on you and the kind of herbs that you are using for the production. If you think it's very smooth and it's okay, you want it to form part of the ointment, then you are good to go. Now I'm adding color for you to see how to add it. First, you can, if you want to do it with color, all of them, then you can add the color on the fire. Whilst the thing is on fire, you can add the color. Or I've poured some and then added color to the leftover. So I'll just make sure that the color is well mixed before I also bottle it up. So after mixing the color, I went ahead to pour it into my cup so that it will be easier for me to pour into my small containers. So now I've poured everything into the containers. I will just leave it for it to settle, to solidify. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. This is Abzolutegh. If you need a commercial soap cutter to contact me, my number will be on the screen. If you need training on this or any of my videos or on hair products, skin products, detergents, kindly contact me on the number on your screen. My trainings last until you are okay. Now I've left it for about 15-20 minutes now, depending on the size of the balm or the salve or the ointment. So this is the final production. It has solidified. So all you have to do now is to cover it and you are good to go. You are good to go. So I'm just going to show you a little. I poured a little into this small container. So I'll just show you how it feels like. Look at how soft and smooth it feels. Now our ointment is done. So after that, you just cover it and you sell it. That's all. So I will end the video here. If you have any comments, just send it to me. Any questions asked, you can call or you can WhatsApp me on the number on your screen. I will be available to answer your questions. My trainings too last until you are okay. Thank you for watching.